Okay, so this slide 15, oh goodness gracious, hold on. I'm not even sure what just happened with my dogs. But anyway, this slide 15 and this slide 16, they're your homework. It's 1 through 30. So you can go ahead and just number straight down 1 through 30 on your paper. And you are going to tell me on each of these, can you show that the triangles are congruent by side, 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 angle, angle, side, HL, or none? Okay, there is going to be a slide 17 with some congruent statements, but for now, just number straight down 1 through 30. And I want you, yes, you're going to be having to pause this video to do this homework. I'm doing a little different. I need to hold a lot more of you accountable than what you've been able to get by with. Okay, you're in math too. You have got to watch videos. You've got to listen to your teacher. So that's how this is going to happen. But anyway, I know it seems really weird and askew, but that's just how it's going to work today, okay? Now, I am going to pause this and put some markings on the vertical angles and the shared sides, but you should be able to do that on your own as well. So I challenge you to think about that before you watch the next part of this video. All right, so I went and put some markings for you so you could make sure you realize what's going on with these. And again, you should be coming up with what you think the shortcut is, the congruent shortcut is for each of these, okay? So make sure you're numbering straight down on your paper. Make sure that you put SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, HL, or none. And then you're going to be doing the same thing for the next slide, okay? Because it's 1 through 30. All right, so here are 19 through 30, and I went ahead and marked the things that you should be able to infer from the diagrams, and you were doing the same thing. So pause me and do your homework. There is going to be a 31 through, but pause me and go ahead and get 1 through 30 finished. All right, so now after you number 1 through 30 and finish those, I want you to number 31 through 35, and I want you to complete these congruent statements. So I've already got the first part ready for you, so now you will have to have the exact second one, okay, because they have to match, okay? When I went over this earlier, you were coming up with the whole thing on your own. You could pick your order to begin with. The order has already been dictated to you on these, so I want you to follow suit, follow the markings, and complete the congruent statements. On the working document, there is a Google form for you to enter all of your answers, but you should have a piece of paper numbered 1 through 35 with your answers as well. Please put them in the Google form for me. That is how you'll get your grade. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. I hope you enjoy your Friday.